The point of Snowplow is to make it really easy for companies that are generating digital events to collect those events, to enrich those events, and to analyze them.
It listens for the events that happen in your website and application, and every time one of those events occurs, it captures that data, it enriches it with third-party data sets, and then it makes that data available to you to analyze in a data warehouse.
Snowplow has been developed against a backdrop of web analytics tools, Google Analytics and Adobe Site Catalyst. Those tools have some pretty established concepts around things like page views and e-commerce checkouts and things like that. But what we're looking at building with Snowplow, and what is a lot more innovative, is this idea of a universal event grammar and a dictionary of different entities that take place in those events. There's a huge variety of different digital events, and everything that's generated from software, everything from hardware, so everything from websites, web apps, gaming, physical devices.
Temperature changes,
Sending emails,
items being put into a fridge and taken out of a fridge,
add to basket, e-commerce checkouts, players versus players in computer games,
playing media, pausing media, sharing media, liking media,
moving physically around the streets,
creating media, recording mixes. We're trying to give people access to their underlying event level data to enable them to start performing any sort of analysis on that data.
The event grammar we're working on is based on fundamentally human language. So we're taking a lot of concepts from human linguistics and human grammars. Concepts such as verbs, subjects, indirect objects. The language of human interaction converts really quite well into the world of digital events.
Being open source helps us innovate in a number of ways. Because what we're trying to do with Snowplow is build out a platform for universal event processing. That's a project with enormous scope that can't be done in a single company. So it needs to be a kind of effort across different communities. And there's a whole lot more that can be done with digital event data than people have even kind of conceived of.
We're just at the start of the process of understanding how we as a society interact with event streams, and I think that it's not been well defined yet. I think we're at the beginning of a long journey.